Hello guys, this is my shop and I want to sell all that things for everybody. It's open, so I'm waiting for customers. Let's see who is going to be first. Ah, what a nice shoe. Hello Pepper, how much is this shoe? How much is this shoe, Pepper? $2. There you go. Oh, thank you. There's the money. Thank you. Bye. Do you see, George? The shop is getting better. We're gonna earn so much money. Next customer, please. Let's see. Oh, how much is this, Pepper? $5. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take this one. Okay. There you go, the money. Bye. Bye, Pepper. Let's see what is in Peppa's shop. I think I have some nice crown, but I need something special. Let's get this one. Yeah. Do you like it, guys? It's very special for only for princesses. Like this. How much is Peppa? $20. This is so special. So we need to pay $20. There you go. Bye bye. What a long day. I'm so tired. I'm going to close the shop now. Tomorrow we're gonna sell the rest of the things. Bye guys. Bye bye.